Hi, my name is Michael Baptista, and I just saw the Wife Left Behind seminar. It was real and in your face, and I take that home so I can share that with my students.
Hi, this is Dave Lockhart. I'm from the Mechanical Contract Association's Safety Directors Conference. Just seen Regina's presentation on the Wife Left Behind, a very emotional and story that needs to be told, and we all have stories on how we get into safety, and it's a great mark in how all of us have different paths in getting there, and that was hers. It was amazing.
I just got done watching the presentation that Regina did about the Wife Left Behind. It was a great presentation. The thing I appreciate about Regina is her wit, her humor, her ability to be direct, but definitely not pushy. She can take herself very serious, but not make you feel burdened by that. I've enjoyed every presentation. This is my third one. I've watched 3 different topics. I highly recommend her to come and work with you and your company.